my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely wonderful day, and I know it's only been a week since I posted, but it seems like it has been forever. Hurricane Florence has absolutely put us through a whole lot. Thankfully, we did come out fairly well. We had, some trees down, some shingles lost, and my son's trampoline is in a ball, so we did lose that. But I wanted to hop on, because the mail finally did run for the first time, and I got my Ipsy bag. So I do want to open this with you guys and share what is in here. But I also want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much to everyone who has reached out, whether it be through comments or email, to check on my family and myself. Your well wishes and kind words have absolutely meant the world to me, and just show what an amazing little YouTube family we have here. And I just cannot thank you guys enough, and again stress that it truly does mean so much to me, and I appreciate it and cannot thank you enough. I know that I may not have been able to respond to every message, but I did my best to, even if it was just a little heart or a quick email back. We still don't have cable or internet, so I've had to use my phone to access, and the service has been hit or miss. But nevertheless, again, I do so truly appreciate everyone reaching out. I do think that we are on the uphill from here. We got power back yesterday, and so hopefully we're gonna just keep on trucking and keep on rebuilding on our beautiful town here of Wilmington, North Carolina. And again, like I said, I'm going to be doing the Ipsy. It did come in the mail today. Today was the first day the mail has run in a week. However, I do want to go ahead and say that obviously most of my September unboxings will be later than most other people that have posted, and I hope you guys still watch and still enjoy. I do still have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on, so if you have not already, do make sure to enter. It is going to end on the 30th of this month. And if you are new, please do subscribe, join our amazing little family here, and make sure to enter that contest as well. But let's go ahead and dive in and see, because I seriously think I was going through some withdrawals of not having any unboxing videos to do. So I was super excited that I saw the mailman today, and this happened to be in my mailbox. This pink envelope has never looked more beautiful. So let's dive in here and see. And as you can see, I am filming in a different location than normal. That is because we do have some family here with us, and they are they're currently sleeping because it is nighttime in the room where I normally film. And again, today is Wednesday the 19th. I'm going to do my best to post this as soon as I am done filming, but I don't know if it'll go up, but if not, it's Wednesday. So we are going to take this out, make sure there's nothing loose in the bag. And you guys, this bag is so gorgeous. It's like a light gold leather here, and the lashes, and then the same gold leather, and it does say Ipsy. This is so cute, and I can tell you right now, this is going to, I have an Ipsy bag that I keep in my purse at all times with, makeup for on the go or whatever. This will be replacing the Ipsy bag that is in my purse right now, because this is absolutely gorgeous. But let's see what's in here. So we have the card, and it says, the question isn't who is going to let me, it's who is going to stop me. So Florence did not stop me. So All right, first thing appears to be full-size lipstick from Bella Pierre Cosmetics in the color Incognito. Let's see if I do it this way, it's a little bit better. Oh, that's a pretty color. It's a nude, so it's very appropriate for fall. But it's very soft. That is a very pretty color. I already have lip gloss on, but I am super excited to get another full-size product. Ipsy has been amazing the last few months with full-size products and just what they're actually sending. So I am super excited about that. And what is this? We have a brush. It's a Luxie 140 detail tapered blender with Wonder Woman. It's a Wonder Woman brush, you guys. I love Luxie brushes too. This is so stinking cute. You see the Wonder Woman? And obviously you see the brush, the bristles. How cute is this? I love that. Second item is great. I'm telling you, Ipsy is on it. And then we have from Glow for a Cause Facial Moisturizing Cream, Vanilla and Aloe. Oh, it smells really good. Oh, and it's a thick cream. And it's very, very soft. Oh, and it smells amazing. Oh. Oh, and it soaks in pretty quick too. I love that, but leaves it so soft. That is great. Telling you guys. There goes my clock chimer. And it's gonna chime a lot because it's 9 o'clock. Next we have Rescue My Hair Mask. It says made with argan oil, deep conditioning and hydrating. No more bad hair days. This is by Grace and Stella. I had to look because it was super, super tiny. That's actually a good size. So I am excited for that. I love a hair mask. Safety seal. I'm gonna leave that on. But I'm very excited to have gotten that. Let's see what our last item is. Luna by Luna translucent powder. It says white sand. It's in a little box. Oh no, it just like went everywhere. I don't know if something happened in shipping. Let's see if we can just kind of wipe it off. And hopefully we can open it and it's fine. I was supposed to receive this last week, but because of the hurricane, it obviously did not happen. And I open it and it's in there. It's loose. I don't know if you guys can see. It's on my finger. I don't know if something with the shipping affected it, but I am happy to have it nevertheless. So it is just a translucent. You can use it probably as a setting powder. And again, it's Luna by Luna. Trying to see if it has any other information. No. Okay, so I still think it's a great bag. So the translucent powder, the hair mask, this really awesome facial moisturizing cream. It smells amazing. the full-size Bella Pierre lipstick in the beautiful nude shade, and this adorable Luxie Wonder Woman brush. I am so excited to add this to my collection. Like, I am super, super excited. So, yay! Very excited yet again with Ipsy. They get a 10 out of 10 for me again this month. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like I said, I do still have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on, so if you have not already, please make sure you enter. If you are new, please do subscribe. That way you can enter the contest. It does end on the 30th of this month. And again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much to everyone who has reached out, like I said, whether it be comments on here or via email, to check on my family, myself, you know, and just how we were doing. It means more than you could know. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your Wednesday night, and I will hopefully be talking with you guys very soon with some more unboxings. But until then, I will talk with you later. Bye.